puntu de biam ka say ye hia say and some edi puntu bebre Kumasi ma Asantuma ne Ghana manti ene hia ne de obetumi aye din ne tie de ekoso be the first person to know about this. Any ma bi koso Kumasi gradually nkakra esesa na sesa no ebia mu bi wonam ho kra na wadwene enya ema so anase wo hunu nso nim de ekoso anyway opanyini ba akọ ha no ma mene no eba betwetwe nkomo ene wo afam ahunu de ekoso Kumasi America safon ni din ede Nana Owusu yemu bebre ni no Steven Owusu anase Nana Owusu bia be friend bia no oje so. He is the founder and the chief executive officer of HDG Group, a range of diversified business operating in various sectors of Ghana's economy, and was formed or incorporated 2019. Onyuma bebre or tech company US is formed 2016. And ya de na ono a ewo hanomo me mana kwaba na waboni dia kakakra bia fa no ho a kire na ono na mene ni di nkomo ono ena me nkomo ne no mene no nkomo no behunu dia ekoso Kumasi ankasa na enwie no na obeka se say niema ekoso pa Nana Owusu hanom Nana akwaba
ya onua
what is saying
nyame adom
nyame adom se oba Kumasi mnum so twi ne nse da nya nso so ese de obeka na nkakra beden ya hu obi pese hu Nana Owusu asam kakra fa ho na ne saying
medasipi Nana Owusu me asantini ye o mi wo Kumasi amokom menyini kakra wo ekrom hansa na me tu kwan
okay
me tu kwan machina London for mfie bebrebe ana 10 years ago me movie eko US ehonso ekotena ho aya adwuma kakra ana yedi ani so ahwefie nti kakra bitimi akwaba minim se adwuma ba kwa wudi mutintima pa
HDG Homes. It's a reputable real estate development and investment management company in Ghana. Anchored by seasoned professionals with local and international experience. At the forefront of development initiative in Kumasi no. Minim se wona dano se HDG Homes no. Udano se panyini mujumadi ni sen minim se moba Kumasi de no na modeba de pa na mo yankasa
medasipi HDG group of companies no sana usika ene no kre yewo enuma bebrebe na HDG Homes yeah part of the company real estate yeah a dansie any infrastructure inti wo Kumasi hase no ye na yesi Kumasi Airport City inti Kumasi Airport City ye juma ye na yesi
atefo amutie mo betumi amon join me on Facebook Opemsuo radio na ehwe nsem na ye kan ye di ho komo no me free sem amutafa Kenya ase kwano so ediba airport runabout ne de mudru benkum ho no mo na mubehu say dan bia yesisi bi ekoso eni ade I think so ultimate joining e wo Facebook a ubehu de ekoso ne pa it's better so be join your home na wo hu de ye ka ho asem na se de obeka ho asem no empuntu na ekoso no HDG Homes ena ehye omunsa mo amuhu airport ni sesi ano na de wo Facebook sesi ano tama na yentu omo eton anwea ene shops ni wo no ne ebai na de ntia yetu omo a ya je plot no ho ene sa dwumade na ekoso no ye no ho ankomo ene di na wodi nkaka say Kumasi Airport City omo ena ehwe yehwe Kumasi Airport City no conceived as one of the largest smart cities in West Africa. Kumasi is poised to attract investment exceeding millions. Yehwe dwumade na mudi no Airport City ankasa no e say ye nya kasa Airport City a de na yehwe ni mu se be hunu e ho no mo
yo medasi biem kakra metimi aka ne say ohwe Kumasi a unse edan wo baby berebe intinyade a obenya asase a ɛso a obetimi de achichiri kro aha nti wo hwɛ baby a nkomo a yedi fa airport yesɔre nyina no sɛ ayese amanfo fitafo bi wo ho omoto aduane wo ho ɛne ade aha nti wo ka asase nyina boma asase a ɛso kakra nti no na kyɛ sɛ wo se yɛto yɛbo ase na yɛsisi ho ɛchichiri ekuro a ɛde animonyam ɛbɛba Kumasi ha aha nti eno ho adwuma na yakoso a bosumi atwetwa mu no yeye ho ndwuma se na wo kan obi twam ho a obi hu se ya start adwuma kakra ɛwɔ ho no
ma ho se ne adam mu sisi na abusa se wo betimi momu dia okọ Facebook ona ho Opemsuo radio no wo hu niema daachim bia Kumasi sa fam stadium no panyin nkomo ayedi no enema ebeye menkasa daachim bebrebe sanse efrisa breko ya sa empuntio no ne niema ubehunu ewo Kumasi enti join ewo Facebook uba nso abetime de o comments agu ono mo yenhwe enema mo ye ni bi ewo hono mo mahu say there's Greenwich ewo hono mo mahu Kensington Heights mahunu Best Western Premier mehwe mo niema mo no mahu the Cinnamon a grade of offices, offices with mixed use facilities, shopping mall, restaurants, medical facilities. I think there's a whole city on its own. Breaking it down, man. He found a be Greenwich, you know, and he found a be Kensington, and he found a be Best Premier. Now, ye tremo at least, who's on your gums and your yenche, me who ni be.
Yo midase inti se wo twam wo woody free airport runabout ko Kenya se se na wo kan na asase na nkasa so no high tension lines binnam asase ne so na wo hwe ekuro na echiche na yempese light cable kra be fa so sebi gutters kra no yedin na ekoshe underground
said they were brochire
na bi ye bike lane inti o baby a bike scribe fa baby enipa be fa baby a car be fa bibi sa na ye ba be ye wo ho inti wo kona wo hu se ye adwuma o kwan so a sa high tension lines no enu na ye be yin na ne de aba be hyefo
okay
aha inti no ho adwuma na wo twam a wo hu ehoro ana no kre se na wo kan no ye wo project bebrebe obehu se sisi dan bi esisi ho sisi em se drus ro wo twema wo aha nti no ye ene friend Greenwich
okay
nti Greenwich ni ye luxury homes ye gated community nti ko Accra Airport Residential
okay
nti Kumasi nso ba benya Kumasi Airport Residential nti no ni Greenwich no eno wo ho no ana ne nchen kakra nso ye wo apartments se na wo kan ye no aha eno ne Kensington Heights I think say e be hu billboards wo krom ne ade Best Western Premier hotel wo hwe Kumasi a ye wo Lancaster Hotel eno ne the major hotel a e wo ha sei ene e bia Golden Bean ene de keka ho but ye pese the 5-star hotel eba Kumasi ene hotels ne be branded hotels a wonim se okura ho a ho service no so wa brochure so
top notch
inti eno na obo so no ana Cinnamon e grade A offices inti be see a 10-story office no amanfo betimi aba beje ho na omode ayede aye omo office ohwe Kensington na eno to aso mako 15 inti na je say it will be the tallest building by far ewo ha wo di Accra de ka ho kra sebi e be a top 10 there it will be part of it na just say enuma kakra wo phase 1 no eno no but you we na ye the hospital any schools any mall any near bebe so besa aba city nim
and you we ni nyina ne be ye enei omo free sepeba runabout no sa benkum so no na asase na da ho ni nyina ho na ye beye sa adwuma nyina
ani nti ho ni nyina kabom na ye airport city
okay obi asend message say opeso hu say wo free airport nso na wani kire dichem so a hu say ho nso ya gi asase bi da ho no na obisa say no nso ka ho na say enka ho
pacho de bi eno de enka ho
okay yo enti say de abusuan say wuti a wo hu ba bi a airport city no ɛwɔ ɛne sɛdeɛ ɛho nsɛm ɛsitie na yɛhwɛ we how can one own a piece of the airport city deɛ yɛka nyinaa mahu sɛ yɛsisi ɛdan apartment Kensington Heights wɔ hɔ ɛne pobi on ma shop pɛ sɛ wɔmɛyɛ bi ne saa nneɛma no nyinaa hwan ana kwan bɛɛ so na bɛtumi anya bi wɔ hɔ no
yɛwɔ a kwan bebree so yɛwɔ yɛ sales team nti yɛwɔ telephone numbers ne emails a yɛbɛhyɛ ɔmo bɛtumi afrɛ ɛneɛ ɛbɔ kurom kwan no so sɛ na America no yɛde shops ɛne restaurants ne saa nneɛma no nyinaa ɛba ɛkwan no ho bɛ obi pɛ sɛ ɔtɔ apartment anaasɛ dan anaasɛ wɔpɛ biribi ayɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔno nso ba ɛhɔ bɛyɛ adwuma a ɔfrɛ no ɔne yɛ kasa a yɛbɛtumi aboa no ma yɛayɛ saa nhyehyɛeɛ no
menim sɛ yɛwɔ modern cities bebrebe ɛne new developments especially kɔ Accra ne Tema na Kumasi nso de ba but with this particular one, what makes the airport city more convenient and very modern say obi okro ofie dada but over pese bi obenya bi ho obi nso a yesi dan mi a mi twa mu de bi ai na no se mi twa mi hwe ba ko bi sa na mi hwe dan ne dan no so hwe mi ma hu se ametimi aba betobi na what makes this one more convenient kama so bi also we be bi
I think say the metimi aka ne say ohwe airport city ni nyinaa sebi akra no bibi say enye dai eni ho normally no ebi o mo begye asase no mo sisi edan yes ebi a gated community say bi a trasako ne other development but we know bibia bi wom I say apartment homes ana ya share that to ebo ase ne aye ya planning city ni ye nti betimi aka say we edamu sronko ewo Africa ha sei edan a wo ka ho asemi edan na wo phase 1 ni sei nyame adom ni nyina ka kakra bi na ni nyina kra ya to ni nyina kra wie
and men come ho na
I phase 2 ni be ya start phase 2 no another 2 years
okay
inti apartments in the Africa na ye be starting to then dey bi wo ho inti no so far no yegusu a yesi a che say na make say aka krampo na ye dey na asa everyone obi a we interested no or was all kind of one friend
dey osem ye
we in term no friend
yo na yen hwe apart from so bi obi akwa beef so dem Opemsuo na say to say no ko Dubai na wa akwa no more for say you can invest in Dubai dan bia yes senior there between Toby Kurane can somebody also invest in airport city nema ya kan nyina sene ho samte
medas I think say one of the main reason amount for the person beto apartment ni bi
okay
so right now there's about 1 million passengers and a far airport yim almost every month about 40,000 people and you see sa airport no yinim say nyame ya adoma afin kwa wie no airport for na kan say omo ye runway na international flight nso be there and sebi this year or next year or the year yinim say they are ebeba
okay
nti say nyame ya wadom na wutimi etobi ho na wo de ye investment a wonim say che say asa emre kono wo investments na be there be cost why valuable ana asase no ya so ano nti esi wie na sa asa yes obi si bi on chain ana say uko chikakra maybe obi nso ye dey ye bi but wanya bi anto ne sa airport city no asa
ten emprempen
into wanya na jamanfo to na nyina asa na say airport city ni dey you say bia do bia to no because for ton ye dey
ton the amount
into for investment there the right choice and him say Kumasi drew a free Friday eco weekend event near day open baby ada kra to bia na ayeden
pa
into we charge ni so see airport there amount for be day everybody into when it comes to investment I think say it's one of the best investment obetimi ayede aye say we say we be shop or kwan ho aton ade and I say over to apartment. Nimana yini no, it lend itself to a great investment.
Obi bisa questions this year, and I'm so touching this year. My person will be removed deeper man. Now, Kase, ya cancer shopping mall near you or Monty. Will there be shops that people can also acquire any gym next animal? Like if you are saying, say, Hoye city on its own, things like gym. You mentioned about hospitals and other things. Nema bi sa ewo.
Ebini na ebi ho spa, gym, saloon. Restaurants, different types of restaurants. There were so many communities were Kumasi, China for, India for, there are restaurants, so many types of restaurants. Send a walking will be a while, be a so better store, maybe or the tongue, and your money in be a while. So fraying now may you the opera. Yabama Modenian swear day, you know why your Jumana Yama be also with him there with Juma.
Share of friend you didn't come away the amount for property and people want to get part or own part of the properties. Say I'm no say then a need Joe pass and 2 years to come, 3 years to come, airport city no dining be shops in Ibino on your then.
On fraying and the woman say a dino a kaka crabby. Nasa, I can't Makumako 4 pair. I can't 4 pair. Nasa,
Ibakotum.
Obia all pets are 4 bedrooms now. Uchema who says you open so na Kumasi Airport Residential. I was so afraid. Say a son, you be CB. Okay.
Yeah, no need the actually.
A bed 2 years and said, "Why
are you ready?
Are you ready?"
Okay.
The ASC and the next year, Yano. Because you see, we are boss.
I be the Munyam, you crown so a lentil, just we be honest. In fact, speed, you know, the
into Ufa apartment, ni hotel, ni my abu bosunina, and yet that chance him. Yamia Duma next year. Bibia, Yame at the chain, I person next year be phase 1 nano.
Okay.
Inti amfani say be so 220 adekwa na mutwia e bia 3 months bi penny and 6 months bi na be
plus or minus
and e ba beto so inti airport city na ye kan ni na nya say bia
yes that can come because let me be clear here we say next year so let's give and take around this time 2026 they're not just the people are living our properties
na enipa eti ho dada inti apartment ni so no started international normally 2 years international by next year Christmas not just said no so why day and no so why ready hotel any office na ye kan ni nyina ye 2 years as seminar ye kan into say bia went me ngb na eno sa it take 2 years and san dey
another phase
about not just said 2028 ho baby and sana unsabetimi aye day. I can be
okay. Question about Best Western Premier. Obisa say a beba with immediate make us a new first phase, is coming with it or second phase now.
And you might have also first phase apartment, new homes, ni Best Western Premier Hotel, Cinnamon Office, ni phase 1.
Okay.
Hotel near one of the development near Brio Hopa, Okoha, foundation, a basement, a drew ground floor, a first floor. Now, pylon, high tension line, now, into Facrino,
you hope project 2020.
Into we are into on him say international flights crab bar. Say, oh, mobile him for better. Pilot for ne air hostess, no munya baby can on my day. Or mother, just a more fat car, a call Abia Lancaster.
And more Munim international hotels and any airport, and we are very close,
very, very close.
Just a minute away.
Just a minute away. Into Yania Bray, Best Western Premier, no, it's just again in Tentempa. Because they say, yes, I bet him cross topo. International flight they say be day ebeba inti no de nyuma abo de nya start no yan stop tentem.
There's something coming up on Friday but maybe answer me basono. I think another message Johanny people want to know between the Greenwich and the Kensington Heights. Obviously who the bemano choose Greenwich over Kensington. Obviously, who Kensington and the Greenwich. Me ya na me tafo chance I think so on hwe ni nyina ye apartment ni we nti ba wo hide Greenwich no eno no features net saying Kensington Heights so obi pe bi on my no so features net saying na omo make omo choice here.
Wait there before I may answer me no ka say me hu say o ma send me message am say nko futi radio ni pa
am futi Opemsuo
ya friend me say I say obi aba ho say as o to dan ni bi
so me so me dey need sin channel
it's Kensington ni apartments
okay
into say omo hwe wo
hwe Facebook
no where
Greenwich na baby me nimu a metumi aka say main road ni da baby a dan echi asesi e baby anga no mushiti free
into we take Greenwich and we have 4-bedroom luxury home
okay
so
into ye fie
wo wasasi wo gate wan kwasa wo dia
into so ye obi a sika wo nsam a e breadrupa e we no so koto woni obi ani asase ho ntokwa
debi
ena fie no nso yesi baby esi no nso ye oh okay
ana ya kasa 4-bedroom a ground floor, first floor and second floor. Second floor no see a pent floor into ra one kasa wo sa wo living room or bedroom or walk-in closet or bathroom ana Kensington Heights near apartment ntenu ye bia obetimi to studio apartment 1-bedroom apartment 2-bedroom ni 3-bedroom de matese se aka 8 pe nti say no suite studio no any 1-bedroom na ye wo bebrebe ana che say ye wo penthouse so ho a no de nya asem kotoa 15th floor just o Kumasi nyina nti na just say the o bisa no o take Greenwich eno ye luxury home efie ana o take Kensington Heights eno ye apartment
great I was say the more bisa no then maybe mama add cinnamon na eno so chiremu ye ma amanfo entiase because now we know about the best Western Premier, we know more about the Greenwich and the Kensington Heights. You heard the cinnamon, which is grade A offices and so any the kekan.
Me da CP say wo hwe Kumasi say officer ibi kakra wo adum but ya pese ye di office say bi a wo konkran airport area ho obon se dan ibi to aso 15 ni nyina ya office ni companies in pese ye see an office what we call grade A office. Not just say companies ni betimi ayede abeje ho de ho ayede ayo mo office na wa hwe say wo ye business na wo office wo twa kwan ni ma airport ni si ho nti bia wo ye obi a utatu kwan ekọ Accra ana utatu kwan kwa amonene eni ade a na just say utimi nya wo office wo airport ana the way airport city ni city ne be kwa be peja wo dwuma kwa na nim so obu hu say wo office no wo ye ewo airport ho na
ma hu sa picture bi ewo your screen so abusan ba bia we betwa adwene o Facebook or Opemsuo radio said de me hu ide etise wo free sepe eba runabout no so because dana musi ni de metwema me hu no enti eno na me hu ni
eno na wo hu
me first me hu okay wo de hwe free benkuma no mokona you know no money then Greenwich na say
when you na ye Greenwich
this side ni ye Greenwich
ba ya chemu mi no into phase 1 na ye ka no na mu hu sisi into ye phase 1 we nipa tu akochene mu no na ya start phase 2 no
okay
they say wo pe bi ato a obetimi nya phase 1 ni bia ye dey
na ato
nti
no ne sande a
4 ne san na je say obekọ phase 2 na say no 2028 sana ye see ye dey e kan no
I see na enemy ba abeto bi me be phase 1 di ni nyina asa metimi atwa kakra to no mu di atwen next
ai say yenya kase phase 1 na sapa na ya start ton phase 2 di ntia ya man 2 years no sebi obi wo ho a e bia onnya sika ni nyina sesi a inti no se ye di 2 years ni ya it ema eni enkofo nso time so ho inti ututu ne kakra na just say yes no na wutua saa nkakra
I see wow we picture
into when Kensington Heights no
beba Kumasi
15 story sky garden na wosro no you want penthouse you know what form on glass na what form
Mr. Wow me kwacho Mami kan chemete for Mr. Bra Facebook se wo tie me na wonnim se de siko Facebook na oba bi on ma de ka chen se ni Facebook no on hwehwe Opemsuo radio ma na ehwe bi me ma Mr. Owusu adaje na pictures no de awram na wo hu Greenwich no se de city Kensington Heights no se de city na se de osu hu ni sa na yemi kaseme kase because next year na say net year bra Facebook se see na hwe se de esite no mum bebre bi kra ma hu signpost no but munte ho asemti me so su I said okay wadama we ne Kensington Heights no my said the esite no features ne
bibia Kensington Heights no 10 acres and you did dine 4 penny a day esim into dine is be 4 acres special into 6 acres near swimming pool just a green garden baby basketball sa into no subin is only that Ninchenga into address na kasa your friend 100 Riverside. Okay. Into over 100 Riverside at Kensington Heights.
Oh. Address no crack
address sorry here. Into no ba fresh ebia wo pebia na je se wahwe ebia wo pede wo form kakra obi won so wo pede wo soro obenya view. Nti wo frɛ a your team ne no obedi ni nyina ho nkomo. Na wo hu no wadi nkomo de opɛ na je se no wadi hu nkomo oto wie nso a ye be manage aye dai ama se bia wo de investment a na wato bia nya fi na wo kodwen hu se na me de me nkofo aye dai abehan ye be gini nyina na investment na aye dai ama
se do kan pool ni
pool na wo ho no
obi se ne bo be den pa because the living condition or money na bruche pay now han model ko den wo UK it's a born from there
a born from but sebi there na me kan say
a relative
say who sit down wo auto apartment wa Accra any auto apartment to Kumasi the cost wodi besi wa Accra no one na de be dey wodi besi wo Kumasi intine bo nya den if it say Accra
cement boy the same over
the same over bia
it is Overton Accra 50 cities I
expect 50 cities sa Kumasi nye sebi ekura bia se over bi no aka say ana sina ye sinin so no me metimi aka say the quality no is even better than most of the apartment in Accra na ye see showroom ewo airport ho acha 3 months ibiwie ye see apartment ni baako because obi beka say say ya wo de ntina wo ka say o quality ye dey ye see showroom a wa obetimi aye dey akọ akọ apartment mi ahwe say na finish ni see ye dey esitie we inside mi na wo hwe no
okay
into just
kitchen no ana
kitchen yes
this is a modern kitchen
yes
oh wow
because apartment no ndimi han untade wo yi o baby a o into amount machines a udi besi uniema ubi a de odi be dry uniema nyina wo
enye fe na be san homa ha san
debi
ka che mo san homa ne ma mo mfama ni nchire ho esa de ho nyo de nti kuma ni se me no me mo udi una wo ne mania de yenhwe efiada matese nkoma ye di nyina dwumadi kese bi ekoso efiada ede na ekoso
medasi p efiada nyame adom yewura nana otumfo ebeba abebie airport city na no
great
11 o'clock anopa
11
nti ye hwese tifo baby amu bia no de obenya honko ade abra na ebehwe ebeta yachi na ebehwe abra na otumfo etwa ahoma no ama adwuma na ye dey akoso
na ye bia no se
afedie normally no nka ye bia no kwansa na nka yesi but wo de wan kasa wo ba say what you already you see say we memfa asema ye ka no bo modern na for ani ye dey ebehwe ti wan kasa wo ba na wo hu se ye twa ahoma no but wo benya time nso ahwe around into be hu say ai ade we o mo kan say apartment ni o man no mo dey kan
ha no be asking questions
yes e dan na o mo say o mo si no nye de say bia fe no mo be si o almost impossible every cables I did go from Ning now by Bia or into Master say, wow, Benya Hono, 11 o'clock, a 1 hour program.
Okay.
Into 11 to 12 day, not just say, bra, use this as an opportunity because ye na say, ye we na say be up as over Shahania Moang into bra,
Obedo, so a gated community.
Yes.
Me, a diary was with the Namia Where
is
cinnamon, offices, no restaurant,
sa. It was Summa 10. And it's the airport ready to pay into Jibia view, airport terminal, runway, Nina, Bibia.
I don't come here, hotel airport view. I see. Into this building, you been medical facility, school, any shopping mall, news restaurant in our woman.
Where the office space
in Nkwan.
And Sana, the Oki now so one chamber in our sitting him. And to be our pair office space, Aji or Freya, you between the Nkomo. Na ye didn't Akasa. The Ope or Honso.
Ye beba Friday, the Nesubium, na the Ebasono. Contact number be and answer so be person on contact ma a question obetimi e de anyamo.
Yeah, and as ye din komo ya me the number no ebe ma na what media tudwa na chief on so ensaka.
All right. Enti usi fiada ya na yura eba ama ye twa homo ama dwumadi na kase se de ya tia no ye frase ye koso strictly by invitation. Yeah, invite enipa bebrebe. But sebi say yaba Opemsuo radio. Yeah, it say yaba fi. Na just obi a wo tie bi a opese obabia na obetimi ayedai. Aba. Na no matter what say me die ne kura mi manfo hu address to look at the nice package, the respect and everything, and I think it talks about Jumadia Mudi na Ankasa. Airport City address to Mimi Dieni. Saying that you wouldn't be a Quanakai when you would be a and shortcutting and wouldn't. I mean, this is the invitation. You better must say, I think, sir, those are more person almost can be no mark ambassador on this channel. No, you not so in the invited. What would you be so also Baby Hubi? Now, share some you any more few can be bebro. Antina, one ye binti. If you ada Dubako pepe. Ye we again, I catch a tier for no one. Almost soon put that say you been BBC Kumasi ne Adophonina. The medical can say or be obet me be a fan in your day. Fiada Dubako. Na minim say Ebia said I walk any penny be or moon gin this BBC bay day. They met me, I can say, and yet they say be a BBC Kumasi a Bakra, yes, into yes, will be answered by Thai projects no, Echi or Mudo Moon Paibo. Any dream pa every time you said the bear, you see bit me, say BBC Bay Day, every Kumasi. The airborne pine say, way and yet the only project ever Kumasi. We mum crano, ebe buama, any panum be brave because say BBC or had the any minso, min family can quackra, minso may be Kumasi emergency city. Sa, nanka cranka cry, in I can't boom near Kumasi Bay, Crabeshe, with the international flights now Ebahano. Ama Kumasi, Dachin Baba hub. And they were seeing in a cabo near Bako. Near to me a supportive project, said a bear a bear day. A bit in fact, Omo have Facebook in Domania, damn watch they party. They said they are broaching and you. And to a best Western hotel, any. And also to us 11. Takra didn't mean now me da more honor best Western. I have a 5-star hotel. I mean, more money hotels, you know, say, I mean, Yadamasi Pana and Naseka Sena and come see you. I'm all for Mutimi. Opinion pay money pan at Yan was an on pen wasem. And when you come anymore, sakra wo no kakra wo firi no o mani pa so monjo no panyini adwuma ekoso nyina ono na esine na so na ebeda mase ne so de mo se Kumasi so se fata de nti ameka say ye opanyini o nyuma bebre na ada no waye America UK ene ade na mo se we mu nyina fata se wo se ba Kumasi na man kase bibi nti yemfanfa ba bia yeda mo se pa na ye nyina beba be tachi fiada na ya hwe se dwumadi no ebekoso ama Kumasi so ayekra behwe number no enie na sam de number no betudwa no me wo number no wa me di betudwa na efiada no fa poti dura na about dwumadi no fa poti pa na ewa yemfa ni nkyerɛ
se udru run about na ofa bokrum
kwan na okay
kwan bi da ho a wutimi wura police
for no
no enu ye kwan ba kwa betimi dia fa so
sa kwan na timi de fa police for no the airport
nti wo betimi afa
ho aba ampa
ana wan fa won so na okọ wanim kakra
bi tra sa de okuya duru CCC na ekwan ne dani fa no se me efien metra mu bintimi
ni kwan ni na ya car park ya yen hye bebrebe a wo ba obenya ba bia pake se wo de car so de ba na wusi na wo nante be ma ye nkonwa ne ade a che se once wani beje kama
and ebeda mase ma hu se nsese bi kura mo ye no kwan ho no enka no bia na stores no wona yetu wo mu nyina no hu se moto wall no ma hu se wall na chi ba kwan mo no ma dege ho no mo ni nyina clear ho no mo ni ade for beautification na nya asem keto na adwuma ye koso no
kwan so nyina ye be ye stores any restaurants ni ade ni aye parking wo animu near the sleep road ato ho if you run about ne bana wo city ho undi
traffic na be no so bypass
ya na je say bibia wo pebia no oba be ye
fina Kumasi be ye de pa number no ye 0201 399 701 we number wo apartment ni bi ana say luxury homes no wo pebi ana simple best western premier no person hu nsem ana cinnamon grade offices nso bibia we interest wo mu bia no 0201 399 701 Mrs. Subim 0301 399 701 na woni empanyefo nkasa wi de na Owusu my namesake medase se obaye na jemre na obecheche de ekono nyina na yesen gina we so I invite Kumasi nyina fidi gadochi fili brabe hebi efiada anopa dubako yenra otumfo ebe ho no mo na ye nyina Miss Nana medase se obaye
Miss medase